press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So this is the look I would be creating for all of you in this video, and this is a soft glam makeup look. And you can see I have kept my eyes warm and smoky, but you can create this like this because it is super easy peasy, and I have gone for bold red lips. So yes, this is a really nice and simple makeup look, and if you want to know how I have created this look, then keep on watching. Welcome back, and hello for all of you who are new for my channel, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe because I would be bringing more such amazing and fun videos for you guys. So like always, before I apply my makeup, I need to moisturize, I need to hydrate my skin really well. So I have used my Cetaphil moisturizer like as always, and I have slathered a nice good quality Maybelline lip balm on my lips. So I have prepped my skin and my lips for the makeup. So yes, now the first thing for my makeup is my primer, and for my primer I use this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect primer. So it blurs out my pores so well and give me a nice blank canvas for the upcoming makeup. So yes, let's get started. So I would be applying the primer first on the center of my face, and then I would be blending it on the outwards because I have like large pores around my nose and my mouth, so I need to blur it out a bit. So now for my color correction, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal, which is in orange, and this is a really nice color correction thing. And if you have under eye like blue and things like that, so you can just apply it and hide. I would be using a very little amount, not a lot product, because if you go like way beyond the product you need, then it will leave orange marks on your skin. And now with the help of my finger, my ring finger, I would just blend it all out. And now moving ahead on my base makeup, which is a mousse. Yes, I'm using a mousse, and this is Lakme Absolute Skin Natural Mousse. So if you want to know how this is and how this product works, so bottom bar is the place to go. So I would be applying this mousse like this on my face. So with the flat kabuki brush, I would blend this all out. So I have applied my mousse, and as you can see, it has given me a very nice sheer to medium coverage, and this is what I want for my look. So yes, now moving ahead, I would be highlighting my under eye, my nose a little bit. So for highlighting, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade medium Moyen. And now with the help of an oval brush, I would just blend it all out real fast. I would use this Lakme Flawless Matte Complexion Compact, and I'm in the shade Apricot Matte, and I would just very light-handed, I would just set my under eye and my eyelids also a little bit so that it does not crease. So I have filmed my eyebrows off the camera, and it was really natural the way I filmed my eyebrows. So if you want to know how I fill my eyebrows, I have a separate video on this, and I will drop the link in the bottom bar. So if you know how I fill my eyebrows the easiest way, so then you can go and check it out. But first, this video. So yes, I have filled my eyebrows, and now moving ahead for the eyeshadow, the eye makeup. So for my eyeshadow, first I would be using this Miss Rose eyeshadow, and I have a separate review on this. And if you want to know the quality and how the product works, so I would link it in the bottom bar. So yes, I would be using this beautiful, it has really nice warm shades, so just perfect for eye makeup and transition shades. So yes, let's get further. So because it's a really nice, soft, warm, earthy eye makeup sort of a video, so I would be using this shade right here. It is a really nice warm brown color, so it would be perfect for my transition shades. So yes, with the help of a blending brush, I just love this blending brush, so I would place it a little bit on my outer V, and then I would just blend it inwards. And now with the same blending brush, I would using this color. This is a really nice warm brown color, a woody brown color. So it has given my eyes a really nice 3D effect. So now moving ahead, and now with my color bar blending brush, eyeshadow blending brush, I'm using this Mars eyeshadow palette, and this is a beautiful eyeshadow palette, guys, just have a look. So I would be using this matte black color. I would place it on my outer V, so you see how pigmented it is. And now with the blending brush, I would just blend it a little bit. And now again I'm using this color from Miss Rose, and I would place it on my crease. And now I would be using the Savannah Colors eyeshadow, and I would be using this color. This is a really nice rose gold sort of a color, so it would look beautiful. It would complement my eye makeup really well. So with the help of a flat shader brush, I would pick up a little product and just place it on my eyelids like this. Now with my clean blending brush, I would blend all my edges so that there are no harsh lines. Now my eyeshadow thing is completed, and now I would be lining my eyes with the Lakme eyeliner, and this is one of the most affordable eyeliners I have ever came across. The quality is good, the pricing is just affordable, guys. Now with the same flat shader brush, I would just apply the brown color right here on my lower lash line to just smoke it up a little bit. And now for my mascara, I am using this Essence Get Big Lashes mascara. You guys know I am in love with this mascara. This is affordable. It gives you great results, and I have really thin lashes, so it gives me a nice big voluminous lashes look. So yes, I just love it. So yes, now with my mascara. Now for my blush, I'm using this Savannah Colors Glow Fluid Cheeks, and I'm in the shade 03, and I was just loving this blush long back, and I have no idea why I just stopped using it. It is a nice mixture of orange and coral and white, so it gives you a really nice flush of colors on your cheeks. So yes. And now bronzing up my face a little bit, I would be using the Savannah color. So I would be using this color right here. And now for my lips, because I have really nice soft smoky eyes, so I would be going bold with my lips, and for my lips I'm using this Glam 21 liquid lip color, and this is a really nice beautiful shade of red and maroon. So yes, I would be lining up my lips first, and then I would be filling up my lips with the same lip color. Now for my highlighter, I'm using this shade right here. I just love this color, guys. This is so beautiful and it gives a nice sheen on my cheeks and wherever I apply this. So you see how glowy it is? And I would be applying this same highlighter on my nose as well, and also on my brow bone a bit to highlight my brow bone. And now I would be using this mask makeup fixer to just melt all my makeup in my skin. And now with a beauty sponge, I would just blend it all inside my skin. So guys, this is the look, and you can see I have created beautiful neutral sort of a smoky eye and beautiful bold lips. So yes, this is an easy peasy look, and you can create it like this and it would look beautiful because it is a soft glam makeup look and everybody wants to achieve a beautiful glam makeup look. So yes, this is the look. You can see my skin is looking nice, refreshed, and I have kept my blush highlight so neutral, a bit of highlight, yes. But yes, I have kept my overall face really neutral, and I have focused on smoky eye. But yes, my smoky eye look is really nice, simple yet warm and neutral. So yes, I have kept my eyes like that, and then I have gone for a really nice bold lip look. So yes, if you love this look, so please give it a thumbs up on my channel and please show some love. And if you are new for my channel and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe, because you know I always bring such amazing and fun videos for you guys. I try so hard to bring beautiful and interesting videos for all of you guys. So yes, this was my overall look, and yes, I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.